Investing.com's 2022 Market Outlook Series. Investing.com 2021 may have marked a true turning point in market. COVID remained an important issue, but also took a back seat to the threat of inflation. Crypto rocketed to the front of traders and investors' minds. Commodities soared, currencies gyrated, we all learned about meme stocks, and in the meantime, stock markets continued to go up, or at least the indices did. 2022 could mark a new market era. Inflation, central bank tightening, renewed capital investment, wage pressure, and so on. These are things that would seem to threaten corporate profits and thus stock market. But people have expected change before, and the bull market has kept pushing higher, so who knows? To prepare for the year ahead, we've assembled Investing.com's team of journalists and writers from around the world to give you a global take on what's to come. Over the holiday period, we'll publish outlooks from our team about the markets across the board, from currencies to stocks, cryptos to commodities, Europe to Asia to the Americas, and beyond. Our analyst writers will also write their personal outlooks for the year ahead and how they are preparing for 2022. Our aim is to give you a broad perspective on how 2021 wrapped up and where that leaves traders and investors entering 2022, whether it's a new market regime or more of the same. We will be publishing these articles through the first week of January. The full list of articles will be available below, updated as we publish new articles. 2020 was a tough act to follow, but for unpredictability, surprises, and market excitement, 2021 might have topped it. What does that mean for 2022? Find out more below, and stay tuned for coverage over the next 2 weeks. Outlooks Crude Oil. 5 key factors to watch for oil in 2022 as demand recovers by Ileana Garcia Mora of Investing.com. Mexico European global markets, inflation, Omicron, rate hikes. What to expect from 2022 by Alessandro Albano and Francesco Cassarella of Investing.com. Italy metals, 2022 metals outlook. Demand remains robust amid energy shift. Supply chain squeeze by Oliver Gray of Investing.com. Australia China outlook. Can Chinese stocks rebound in 2022 by Hugo Pan of Investing.com. China global markets. What to expect from global markets in 2022. Growth and the rise of small caps by Laura Sanchez of Investing.com. Spain growth stocks. 3 cutting-edge investment themes to watch for in 2022 by David Wagner and Yassine Maroufi of Investing.com. France cybersecurity. 15 cybersecurity stocks to watch in 2022 by Robert Zak and Marco Oehrl of Investing.com. Germany Turkey outlook. Expectations for the Turkish economy in 2022. Is there a plan for inflation? By Tuna Yilmaz and Sene Sarafoglu of Investing.com. Turkey e-mobility. 15 e-mobility stocks that could become the new sector leaders in 2022 by Robert Zak and Marco Oehrl of Investing.com. Germany cryptocurrencies. 5 cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin to keep on your radar in 2022 by David Wagner and Yassine Maroufi of Investing.com. France tech stocks. Tech sector 2022 outlook. Slowdown or reacceleration by Daniel Schwartzman of Investing.com. US, the UK, and the pound. Looking ahead, 5 things to watch for the pound in 2022 by Samuel Indyk of Investing.com. UK. Brazil outlook 2022. Threat of recession haunts Brazil by Ana Beatriz Bartolo of Investing.com. Brazil India outlook 2022 outlook. How will India's Nifty perform amid global uncertainty? By Malvika Gurung of Investing.com. India Russia review 2021 review of the Russian economy and equity markets by Timur Aliyev of Investing.com. Russia Hong Kong outlook. After a lost year, where will Hong Kong stocks go in 2022? By Kay Lee of Investing.com. Hong Kong global markets. 5 key investment factors for 2022, inflation, tapering, geopolitics, and more by Carlos Gonzalez of Investing.com. Spain Brazil outlook. After a year of embargoes, rising costs, Brazilian meat producers set to rebound by Jessica Bahia Mello of Investing.com. Brazil value investing. Will 2022 be the year of value investing? By Marcin Jendrzejczak with Katarzyna Plewa of Investing.com. Poland cryptocurrencies. Highlights and key events of a record year for cryptocurrencies by Roy Katsiri of Investing.com. Israel Asia markets are 2021's 3 best performing Asian stock markets. Still buys in 2022 by Nick Chen of Investing.com. China global markets. The year ahead. 6 trends to watch for in 2022 by Jeffrey Smith of Investing.com. US Russian oil impact. Oil's lessening impact on the Russian economy and the ruble. A review by Yana Shibalina of Investing.com. Russia US economy. Tapering's effect on the economy in 2022, less liquidity, more volatility by Carwan Cruz of Investing.com. Mexico Brazil elections, Brazil's 2022 presidential elections. What Investors Need to Know by Leandro Manzoni of Investing.com. Brazil Japan Outlook, 2022 Japan Market Outlook, a consumption rebound, but slow and steady growth by Yuka Sato of Investing.com. Japan Korea Outlook, 2022 Korean Market Outlook. The Year of the Tiger poses both risks and hopes by Sung Ah Hwang and Lee Sung Soo of Investing.com. Korea Analyses Top 5 Stock Winners of 2021 by Jesse Cohen. This is my number one suggestion for markets in 2022 by Joseph L. Schaefer. Will 2022 be another golden dud for commodities? By Andy Hecht. 2022 Oil Price Drivers, 7 Catalysts Can Push It Higher, 6 Could Create Pressure by Ellen R. Wald, PhD. Market Wrap 2021, Remember This Year Fondly, 2022 May Be More Challenging by Charlie Blaine. Top 5 Losing Stocks of 2021, Some Could Explode Higher in 2022 by Jesse Cohen. 2021's ETF Winners and Losers by Teskin Jekjal. 10 Stock Market Predictions for 2022 by Michael Kramer. After stellar 2021, markets could remain strong in 2022, but beware rising risks by Charlie Blaine. Year in Review 2021, The Year in Review by Peter Nurse, Liz Moyer, Sam Bagetta and Yassine Ibrahim of Investing.com. US 2021 Year in Review. Investing.com Comic Edition. Energy leads SP 500's 2021 winners, Gambling, Gaming, and Payments among losers by Dhirendra Tripathi of Investing.com. US 2021 NASDAQ winners, Semis, Hype, and Hope. 2020 Hangovers on the losers' side by Daniel Schwartzman.